Hello YouTube, this is Steel with Glasses here. Here from Bandai is the Mini Vehicle Spectrum Micro set from Gerry new Captain Scarlet. Here we have the Spectrum Cheetah, the new version of the Spectrum Saloon car, the Druzynic, a minifigure of Captain Black, and the Stallion raid bike. Yep, as I said, the Druzynic, the Cheetah, Captain Black, and the Stallion raid bike. There's a photo there of Sky Base, the new version of Cloud Base. Here's some information. The fight against evil has begun. Nearly 40 years ago, the world trembled for the first time as alien voice of the Mysterons threatened global destruction. After a Mysteron attack whilst exploring Mars, Scarlet escapes the Mysteron's control. However, their genetic mutation of his body leaves him virtually indestructible, making him Spectrum's prime weapon against the aliens and their new instrument of destruction. Scarlet's one-time friend and now mortal enemy, Captain Black. Yes, it's very nice having this part of my Gerry collection. Yep, the Cheetah, the Druzynic, Captain Black and the Stallion raid bike. And that is the Mini Vehicle Spectrum Micro set. This is Steel with Glasses signing off. Goodbye.